Well, it's our first apartment viewing. We're at the Waterford Park Apartments, Park at Waterford. It's right next to the marina. They've got this really nice dog park. So maybe. We're on a boat. I do like a 48. This is a table out here. Look at all this space.
This is so much.
Yeah. Our first boat that we're looking at. Yeah. This is the second Beneteau. This one's the 45, and I kind of like it better than the 48, which is crazy.
It is nice.
It's older. I don't know. It's got character.
Yeah.
I like it. So here we are in another catamaran. This one's a 440. Awesome. This is the owner suite. It's not bad in this 440. This owner suite is fantastic. Look at this. Enormous. So this is Spartacus, the 48-foot Beneteau. So far our favorite on the list. We liked it better than even the cats. All right. This is
An
apartment building. Which one is this one? Signature Point? What do you think about this one?
Not bad, not bad. What do you think? I think I could probably sleep there.
You're not gonna sleep in a walk-in closet.
Just sleep standing up.
You're not gonna sleep in a standing up in a walk-in closet.
Wow. That thing is still cooking on yours, yeah. That is crazy.